Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll tell you how to exactly ace your GRE and how to get a great score in that exam. So let's get straight into the video. The very first thing that you have to do is to know your baseline. So GRE has different sections. There can be a possibility that you are good at some other sections while you're weak at some other sections. So make sure you give ample amount of tests in order to check yourself of where you stand. If you know your baseline now, for example, if you come to know that you are very poor at quants, but you are really good at verbal ability. So make sure you keep working on verbal ability, but give more emphasis to quant in order to strengthen that section of yourself. The next thing to do is to actually determine a target GRE score. For example, you want a 300 plus score, which is a great score to have. You can get into almost any university with that good of a score. But if you are aiming for a 300 score, let's say, so make sure you know what are the different kinds of sections you need to ace, how you need to go about it in order to get that score. Once you know that, you'll have a comparatively clear direction in order to prepare for your exam. The third thing to do is very important, which is practicing the technique. So every exam has a particular section or a particular structure given to it. In order to be able to get a great score in that section, you have to make sure that you are well acquainted with the structure. If you know the patterns, if you know the structure, it will be very easy for you to follow that system and get a great score. So make sure you practice the technique very well. The fourth thing to do is to review your exams. So every time you give any exam, make sure the score you get is something you always review in order to know where you went wrong and correct those mistakes. So when you give the next exam, you won't make that same mistake again. This is known as test analysis. Analyze your test where you went wrong and where you did a great job, and make sure you capitalize on the opportunity. The fifth thing to do is build up your skill sets. So skill sets is both your verbal ability, your logical reasoning and your quantitative aptitude. Make sure you work on these separately and also make sure you give equal emphasis to all of them. Every section is going to help you get a good job, so don't just focus on one section. If you are an engineer, it is likely that you might be able to focus better on a quant section, but don't forget that the verbal ability section is equally important in order to get you a great score. Last but not the least, make sure when you're practicing the quant section especially or the logic section, you practice with and without the calculator. So the thing you have to do is to practice with and without the calculator. Sometimes what happens is when we start using the calculator for complex mathematics, we tend to then eventually translate that into simpler mathematics as well. So if you even have to do 9 into 7, you might happen to go into the calculator and use its help. But something as basic as a multiplication can be done in the mind as well. If you keep relying on the calculator, you'll waste a lot of time. So make sure the smaller calculations which are easier to do in your brain and you are very comfortable doing that, don't move towards the calculator. That is why practicing with and without the calculator is very important. So guys, these were the 6 tips that will help you ace your GRE. If you just follow these tips, if you just make sure to completely be focused on these 6 tips only, you are bound to get the score you aim for. Make sure to follow these tips and get a great score for your next GRE exam. So guys, this was it for the video. If you have any other doubts, you can let us know in the comment section given below. Also, if you want a one-on-one session with any of our advisors here at Grad Dreams, you can feel free to contact us with the help of the description box given below. If you're liking the content guys, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss out on such valuable content. Thank you so much for watching the video guys. We'll see you in the next one.